Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Usembut Menteri Rangba jong kejela uba Preston Tensong hagakat sao tarik ubnai nopra arajar arpuai ulaong baga jing jabo jong ka temyo maulong ka kam isat met banye ki jakaslam ulaong ru baga jing shimkhia jong ka sarkar ban penken ria ye ki breu ki basa temyo maulong kalong namar baga smokhia ye ka kot ka khia jong ki breu ki basong basa hagani ka jaka Hakabaya day bat ka jingdawa jong uhe nongelam ka akali dal ya ulat ka jelna usatya pal malik ban penap pahara di ki bor sipai hathem yo maulong uba preston ula ong shasho baka them yo maulong kam day satya kamadan thma ban shu penap pahara di ki bor sipai.
That being a government, it is the responsibility of the state government provides by the Constitution of India that every citizens of India who stays in Meghalaya, we need to make sure that we take care of them, irrespective you are tribal or non-tribal. So, as far as Yo Maulong is concerned, I think everybody of you will agree with me, that area becomes worse than slum. Therefore, the state government feels that taking into consideration the human life, health of those people who stays in that particular place needs to be shifted. We have to shift them. We have to relocate them to a proper place, to a place where health is also attended to. And number three, because that particular area right now, it is also a bazaar or a market place. I don't think it can be converted into residential at all. So on the basis of that, that's why we have submitted a detailed report from the high-level committee to the government, where the government has already taken a decision that yes, relocation has to take place from that area, whoever stays over there, that they need to shift to other proper place. There is no war. Is there any battlefield here that we need to deploy army? Because I am not aware of that. So, but I am telling you from day one, it is the responsibility of the state government, irrespective of tribal or non-tribal. We need to take care of them. We need to see that the place where they stay is totally safe, is totally healthy. Children can grow healthily. I think that's the point. That's the point, and that is the intention of the government very clearly. That's why I would like to request all the concerned stakeholders work together with the state government. They should not think that state government will just, throw them out anywhere. They are all human beings. They are all our brothers and sisters. So therefore, leave it to the wisdom of the state government. We will take care of them as much as possible. I think that is again wrong. How can you say that, injustice is done to any particular community? That's what I'm telling you. State government is bound to take care of every community, be it tribal, be it non-tribal, be it OBC, be it anybody. We are here not to communalize. We are here not to say that okay, you are a Khasi, you are a Sikh community, or you are different community, means you cannot do this or we cannot do this. I think that is out of question. We can't say that. As government, as I said to you, we are here to protect to each and every citizen of the state who stays and who live with us here in Meghalaya. The issue of relocation, now we have already entrusted to Urban Affairs as well as to Shillong Municipal Board to do the needful. What needful is that? One, instruction has been given to Shillong Municipal Board to shift their temporary office from that Beaver Road, shift to another temporary building, because repairing work has been completed. And once that is shifted, then they need to immediately go for repairing of those quarters, and thereafter shift those employees who stays or who settle down in that Yeo Maulong to a proper place. So this is the instruction given to Shillong Municipal Board through the Urban Affairs Department. And number two, those employees who stays there in different department, again we have written a letter very clearly to all the departments. Please shift your employees to your campus or to any other places wherever possible, so that area, since government has taken over possession of that plot, because Urban Affairs Department has to start designing or redeveloping of that particular place. And again, from the government side, my opinion is it is legal. So there is no end. So let the court decide. You should not say, you should not say in public like that. We do have a platform. Go to the High Court then. If we violated any ruling order of the Honorable High Court, we are subjected to contempt of court. Is it not? So therefore, I think there's no point of discussing or talking on this issue, because they have their own opinion. We also, from the government side, we have our own opinion. So let the court decide and let the court interpret. Jikang jungi ka play. Kiko apa ni kren ni song ni yano ngi long ngi piang song ba. Bangi ni kren. Kino kibawan ko mo pina baru ngi piang song ha bikin wan. Bikin kren ba ko tang ba bakin sung thu bakla ban ong ba. The government ka le ben. Ngatai kata ka ba bakla. Ngi don hang ni ban le ben yano no ye kinong song snong ki basa ki basong hapo islamic la. Ngim la ban ong ba ngin le ben yaki. Lane ngin le bha yaki wi pat. Kamar ngi hang ni ko mo phi kum ka state government. Ya barok ngi hapan le ba. Ya barok ngin pentikna ba. Hapo ki song sa ang ni ki song de bijik suk de bijik side. Bat ru hakajaka ka ba bit ka ba piang. Kum ki brio. Ndai ban ong kum ki bana. Kum ki brio. Kum ki brio. Kamar barok ngi dehi tang ki brio. Selajo ngani.